Good morning, grade 6 IS. Welcome to Home-Based Learning Lesson 3 video again. Please send me any questions that you might have from the last two videos. I would love to answer those. For today, we have something very simple, but it's more of a research-based guideline. So what I need for you is to have a document open. You will do the following. Here, oh, you can kind of see it. But today, I want for you to go through history. You have your textbooks, you have your laptops, you have different things of looking up. I want you to go through and find the coolest ruler of at any point during Roman history. So there's some who who were powerful, some who were crazy, who burned down the city of Rome, one who named his horse to the Senate, right? There's all these different kinds of stories of these Roman rulers, whether it's a tyrant, whether it's a dictator, whether it's a magistrate, whatever it's an emperor, you name it, you can find it. I want you to find the coolest one, and then for that coolest person, I want you in a document for each thing, I want you to find the 7 things that make him cool. Okay, provide us with 7 things about him that makes him the coolest. So it might be maybe how strong he was. His birthday's the same as yours. I don't know. But for each one of these 7 things, explain why you chose that and what it was that it was. If it was his birthday, why was it, or why is Caesarean section named after Caesar? Why was it so cool that he conquered the Gauls? Something like that, and 3 or more sentences for each of the 7 things. When you're finished that, submit it onto ManageBack. Hit like and subscribe to this video. I'm kidding. Um, and then hopefully, when we have our next group virtual meeting, we'll try to have a debate about who's the coolest. And so you'll need those, but you need to post your 7 things into ManageBack, and it must be in a separate document. You know how to make Word documents, you can do that. Thank you. I look forward to seeing what you come up with.